Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since we've been with the little CT125 on a video. And the awesome guys over at Kemimoto sent me a center rack for the CT Trail 125 here. We're going to be installing it today and going over it. And that was awesome of them to send that to us. So we'll get it on here. And you guys make sure and stay tuned. I believe I'll do a giveaway for this in a later video, maybe a live feed. Because I just thought that'd be something cool to give back to you guys. And but anyway, we'll get right into it. We'll install it. Make sure you go down, like, and subscribe if you like what you see. And let's get into it, guys. And by the way, sorry about the backdrop. The power's out at the shop, so I thought it's a nice day out here today. Maybe bear with the light, and hopefully the lighting will be okay. And this is just a garage where I keep my car. So, all right, guys. So the first thing we're gonna want to do is attach these pieces here to this, and this is what's gonna hook to the front on the factory crash bar. So you have 4 of the same little small Allens and 4 10mm 6mm headed or 10mm headed nuts, and this is gonna go on the bottom side of this. Go ahead and get this started here, and we can go ahead and loosely. We don't really have to really cram down tight on this yet till we get it test fitted here. I'm just going to hand tighten these for now. Do the same thing over here. Yeah, I appreciate you guys that follow along on the channel and subscribe. Cody and I just got back from an awesome trip out to Idaho. So if you guys hadn't seen those videos, I'll try to post a card up above and let you check them out. It was an excellent time, and I couldn't have done it without you guys, because the subscribing fan base has really helped the YouTube channel grow, and we had a few extra dollars to make it happen, so appreciate you guys for that. Alright, so there's just loosely test fitted. So let's get over here on the bike, and I think the first thing we're going to do is pull this center bolt out here. And there's going to be this little short spacer that goes there and this bolt. And then we'll get, I believe it's these 2 out here. And these long bolts and these spacers will go there. So let's get that going, guys. This one particular one here is going to be a 5mm. Shouldn't be super tight. So I'll hang on to all this stock hardware, because I'm going to put mine back and do a giveaway on this one. Alright, so I believe we'll put this in there. Let's test fit and make sure I'm right on which one of these front ones to take off. And Kemimoto's left this where this is going to stay off of your paint, which is awesome. Yeah, look, it looks like it's going to be that one right there at the top. So let's get that one out. I believe it's a 6mm, I think. Let me make sure. Yeah, 6mm. So let's get both of those out on each side and out of our way. Should be able just to bring that right out by hand, guys. Like I said, we'll put it away for later date. Now, if you guys are going to do a bunch of off-road riding, I would probably suggest doing some blue Loctite on these, maybe. All this stuff vibrates a lot when you're off-road, for sure. Now we can take our long spacers and slide them right in here like so. One on the other side as well. Again, forgive me for the lighting, guys. I think we can get by today, though. So you got this little one here that's going to go here. And it's going to be 4mm, I believe. Kemimoto sent us actually sent the wrench with it. So that was awesome. Alright. Center that up. Get that one started loosely first. If I can get you guys up here where you can see, we'll just get this one started. loosely. And like I said, again, you could use some blue Loctite on that if it's going. This is going to be permanent. Nice stainless headed bolts. That's super nice. Lined up. Man, this is a breeze here. And then once we get all this snug and fit, we'll tighten these tins too. Put this one on here. You guys can totally use your judgment on this, but I think personally they've left you enough play in this to make sure it fits all the different bike, or you know, every bike's put together just a little differently at the factory. I think I'm going to go ahead and tighten these. Hold up on it just a little. Snug that one down. Do the same thing over here, and this looks like this is clearing all the paint, which is really nice. Okay, all right, let's get this center one tight here. And you can center this up however you want. This is clearing everything. Looks really good. Let's go ahead and kind of hold this in the center and tighten this one up. Just snug it. Believe it or not, guys, that's all there is to it. Check that out, man. That thing's gonna be really nice. You can put a fuel bottle, some rain gear. There's tons of places to tie it down. It's fitting really rigid. Let's go ahead and tighten those. Let's see, these are, oh yeah, they'll actually hold themselves. They're lock nuts. Again, Kemimoto center rack. Pretty much put anything you want. There's tons of places to hook bungees, and it looks like it'll hold a good bit of weight. Really nice. All right, guys. Well, as you can see, that was a super easy install. Nothing to it. A couple of sockets and ratchet and a few other little tools. Maybe, like I said, if you want to Loctite this for permanent, you know, that'd probably be the best thing to do. But I'm going to give this away. And also have a couple of passenger sets of foot pegs from Kemimoto that I'm going to give away as well. We're going to do a little live feed for that, so make sure you watch the channel, like this video. And also, I'll go down below and drop a code for Kemimoto for this rack for a discount. And so use that in checkout, and it'll be an Amazon link for you guys to take you straight there. And you can pick this up for a reduced price, so while they last. So appreciate it, guys, and make sure you come back for the next one. Thanks again. Take care.